I'm gonna do a long form YouTube video. Oh, ignore that. Now, I don't even know what to play, huh? What should I play? Survive on the raft. That seems pretty fun, y'all. God bless. I'm gonna watch a movie called Magic of Ordinary Days 2005. Yeah, seems pretty good. Alright, so, I'm probably make a sandwich in a bit after the video. Watch and maybe play a game. Wow. She really don't like it. That's really great. Let's just play this alone, y'all. Collect your loot box, find food, expand raft, and survive. Okay. I don't have anything to build. Exit. Hot dog. Looks like a pretty good game. Let me put my settings up. Bam. One stone, okay. Got some logs. Oh, shoot. Hey! Get off! Oh, no. He just blew me up. What? So that was that.